An accident happened on the road at night. This brave man was struggling his best alone. The flame was so scary and uncontrollable. Oh my God. Wow, this man come with his chance. Well done. He's cutting the door. Oh my God. Thank you very much. Wow. Now the teamwork start. More and more people come together to help this man. Wow. Such a brave man. Such a brave people. The first man is so brave. He started helping first. Oh my goodness, they saved the man. Thanks God. Please leave a word for these heroes in the comment box. Be certain that you do not die without having done something wonderful for the humanity.